Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by assessing balance and securing the head. Don't waste time trimming candy later. Insert the stick straight into center, then spin gently to find wobble. Once you locate the heavy side, remove the stick and shave a hairline of candy from that side. This shifts the center of mass. Make sure to clamp the lollipop so you can work precisely and keep the mark for reassembly. This quick balancing sets up smooth rotation as you build the spinning mechanism. Now you construct the actual spinner. Drill a precise hole through the stick and slide in a thin metal pin to act as an axle. Once done, add a small washer or weight ring near the candy head to increase moment of inertia. This makes it spin longer. Make sure to seat a tiny low-friction sleeve or bearing where the pin meets the holder to reduce wobble. Tighten, but don't overglue. Allow rotation. Test spins frequently and adjust weight placement until rotation looks steady and smooth. Finish by trimming the stick so the assembly is symmetric, then secure parts with a minimal food-safe adhesive or edible seal. You want rigidity without adding heavy off-center mass. Once sealed, spin test at low then medium speed, watching for precession or wobble. If rotation stalls, move the washer slightly closer to the center to quicken startup or farther out to increase spin time. If things go wrong, wobble, jitter, or stuttering, check axle straightness first. Misalignment is the most common cause and easy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.